Wish nothing bad shall happen to everybody and her in Jesus' name. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good luck bless you. May the good luck bless you. May the good luck bless you, Grandma. May the good luck bless you.
The celebrant is my elder sister, but I want to refer to her as my mother because right from when I finished my university degree, I was living with her for a very long time. And we are so close that I think I'm comfortable to refer to her as my mother. She's very caring, she's very loving, and she's very accommodating.
My alias is Mommy Eko, as we usually call her. She's a kind-hearted woman. She's a strong woman. She's a fighter. She's a winner. She's everything. She's not. She's mother to all. Not only her children. She's mother to all the children that comes across her way. She's mother to all. Oh, my mom, she's a good mother, a nice, caring mother, mother like no mother, the best grandma for my children. She has been there for us. She single-handedly took care of us from our school, primary school to the university days, and like, if not her, it could have been me. I wish for her to have good health. God has been protecting her. She has had so many diseases like cancer. She's a cancer survivor. But God, in infinity mercy, spare her life up to this moment. I pray she celebrates 80 years, 90 years, 100 years, and 110 years. So that she can see my children's children too. Mommy, ẹni tó bá ẹ ń bá ní kò ní rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àfọlójú akọ́sẹ́sẹ́ kò sẹ́ni tírélà àtúnjú pẹ́.
Very happy. My joy has no bound. Do you know? I'm so happy because today is my special day. I thank God for everything. Despite all the obstacles, despite challenges, and God still keep me on. I'm very grateful to God. And I'm so happy with God. I'm so happy with my family, with my children, with my church especially. They did wonderful thing for me today. I'm so happy. I'm so impressed about their action because they did one portrait for me. Then I saw, where they used to show this song we are singing, the Bible we are reading. They were showing my pictures. Pictures is a wonderful thing to me. I'm so happy.